So Skylift is a leading easement equipment manufacturer. We specialize in utility products, aerial lifts, digger derricks, things for the arborist industry.
We make a quality product that is durable, it's long-lasting, and it's easy to use for our customers. The company started about 20 years ago. It started in a little bay here where we're at now and has grown dramatically since then. What we're doing is we're sending people up in the air in a small bucket, and they are lifting heavy objects, transformers, poles, etc. Mazzella came in, offered a plasma rope. Primarily, our machines are used in the outside and the workforce. With a wire rope, you would have had issues with rusting, corrosion. Plasma eliminates all of that.
My first impression coming in, being able to solve one of their problems, was they were looking for plasma rope for their machines, and they needed to get these machines out the door. So we were able to come in and provide that plasma rope for them that we have stocked locally. And we started talking about other areas that they were working in. They needed a crane for their laser table, and they needed a documented OSHA inspection.
We just recently installed a laser table, and we contacted Mazzella for the jib crane that we needed to lift the plate steel. They kind of came out and walked us through what we needed, let us know that the concrete floor had to be reinforced and re-poured for the style and the weight of the jib crane that we have to have installed. We have set up a new preventative maintenance program, and we have the lifting straps and chains a part of that. We go through and inspect those every couple of weeks. We have reached out to Mazzella and hooked up with them, and we are on a program with them now as far as them coming in and doing all the safety inspections on the straps as well.
Because Mazzella offers so many products and a wide array of services, we were able to come in and help them out in various ways and be one vendor for them, rather than them having multiple vendors to take care of this stuff, on top of being a product expert in those fields, so we could tie everything together.
When you go with a company that like Mazzella that is local, that can help you out with those resources, it's crucial for engineering. There's a lot of details, even if you don't see them, to get everyone on the same page.
We would not have product had we been working with a different company. Just due to today's supply chain issues throughout the country, throughout the world, they made the entire process very easy, made it hands-off for our company. They took the ball, ran with it, and provided the right solution for our product.